Hi guys, this is the water pump replacement and the thermostat for the 4.0 Jeep Cherokee 1999. So this one turned out to be good, but you can see kind of wear out there and there, and it makes that metal rattling there. That was no good. Replaced with a nice one, new one. This guy is only like 24 bucks or so, and I got a thermostat. You can get several temperatures. I just got the one that's recommended. You do have to buy this because it's could be hard to unscrew it from here because there is no threads. So luckily I got it. I can reuse it. It comes with the gasket, so it's nice, very nice. So we got thermostat here, water pump is over there. To unloose the belt, you gotta first unscrew this bolt, then you loosen it up, and this thing travels up and down, and then that's how you loosen it up, the belt. Here you probably have to recoat it with just a regular temperature sealant in here. I did check my thermostat. My thermostat was bad, and I still might as well change the water pump because it's only 24 bucks. Might as well. The things you gotta take off is the fan shrouds. There's two of them here. I just unscrewed two bolts here, one bolt here, so pretty much three bolts, and they just come up, and you can put it to the side, or you have a unhook thing here. You can unhook and then be outside. The pretty rusty, but you know, we gotta make her run and not overheat. Good boy. So I also saw some wear on this guy, which is not that bad. I still reuse this guy, but it's pretty much this thing that grips the belt downwards, so it could slip if your belt is loose and not operate the water pump as it should, or if your water pump has some kind of bearing issue. This might just see like it might have had just coolant dropping on this guy, and it's been very slicky, and it might have weared out this and have the car issue with overheating problem. But yeah, this is a pretty easy step. Just make sure you put a bucket there and be on the grass, not on your driveway. You know, if you do spill it, this goes in. It's not that bad. You don't have to clean it as much. But yeah, make sure you have a bucket, or if you want, drain the whole thing fluid from the radiator. The pin is down there. Yep, this is pretty much it. Thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and you guys see my next video. Take care.